Hi witches! So today's video, I know it is the final day of September already. I don't know how we have gotten here, but we are here. But for today, I wanted to do kind of a fun little video, something kind of casual. I am slowly catching up on my filming schedule, and then once, like in about a week, everything will be like crystal clear and just like chef's kiss. It'll be amazing. But for today, I am unboxing this witchy vibe box, which is super cool. It comes from a company called Skyy. I don't know if you can see that if I do it like that. And they reached out to me on TikTok and were like, hey, can we send you a box? So like, what kind of stuff do you like? And I'm like, what? Like, I am nobody. What are you talking about? But they sent this to me and it was like so sweet. Anyways, I wanted to like unbox this for you guys and like share like, you know, like shout out some witchy content creators and stuff like that. So, yeah, let's just like get into it. Hopefully I didn't just dox myself with my address, but they have a bunch of really cute little stickers. I like this one that says support small businesses. I'm a huge advocate of that. So please support small businesses. And I put all of their links down below. So, first things first, the box smells amazing. Like it smells like fruit and also kind of like eucalyptus-y, and that is amazing. Surprise crystal bath bombs to tie-dye and more. So they have like this, and like a little business card, which is cute. They're from Virginia, which I'm from Virginia. Awesome. So love that. And it looks like they sent me some bath bombs. Okay guys, I got sacred scissors because mama has press-ons on, but, oh, it's a candle. Oh, it's like a little spell jar candle. So, and it smells like eucalyptus. Oh, it smells so good. Holy shit. Sorry, I shouldn't swear. It smells so good. So it's like a little candle and it looks like a little potion jar. That's so cool. And I love the color. It reminds me of like I almost want to put it in my bathroom. It reminds me of like the ocean or like sea witchery and stuff like that. So that's awesome. Okay. And everything is packaged really nicely, by the way, as well. So like, holy, they sent me so much stuff. What the heck? Oh my goodness. Okay, so they sent me Tiger's Eye. I love Tiger's Eye. I work with Bass, so she's like constantly like all about it. And they sent me this beautiful like moon crystal. Oh, sorry. Oh, it's obsidian for Anubis. Oh, I don't know if they like looked at any of my content or anything and just were like, she's witchy as fuck. Well, like obviously, but like we're like, we know what this witch wants. So here's like the little moon obsidian thing. This is so cool. I kind of want to like glue it to my head and like make a very cool like Sailor Moon cosplay, but I won't. I will refrain. But this is going to be, I think, an offering for Anubis, which is cool as shit. And then a beautiful piece of I love tumbled stones, so I will never have enough of them. But a nice little piece of Tiger's Eye. You can see it glinting. I love it. Thank you so much. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, so this also was like with the crystals, but look at this like cool ass bath bomb. I'm not a big bath taker, I will admit that, but I know someone who would like this, so like I think I'm just gonna, you know, but it smells literally, I wish I took baths because this smells so good. Maybe I'll do like a foot bath or something like that. It's like I won't submerge my body in the water. Oh my god, it smells like peaches and cream, or that's what it says on here, and it truly smells like that. It smells so good. And it has like, what? Like, so cool. I love this. This is really awesome. And it's a huge bath bomb. Like that's immense. Like it's intense for sure. But yes, I'm very excited about that. And again, thank you so much. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, so then the next thing, as a hearth, sorry, I'm totally freaking out. This is really cool. All of this was a surprise. I had no idea what was coming, so these are very natural reactions. They got me this little like wreath. Oh, I'm so afraid I'm gonna break this. I'm gonna cut the packaging, so bear with me for just 1 second. Okay. She's free. Oh, isn't that amazing? Just in time for like Yule. Oh, and like as a hearth witch, I freaking love this. This is gonna definitely go in my sacred space somewhere. I'm not 100% sure where yet, but I don't know if you can see that. I just got a huge armoire that I need to like put stuff into. So I'm thinking like maybe on the wall above it, but it has like a nice little pentacle in it. I love it. So this is just really, really cool. And I really like it. Like, thank you so much. Cool. I got this like resin spoon. So this will be good for like using, it has like a little shell on it. That's interesting. Like this is all very much giving me like sea witch energy, like for sure. And I really like that. So you see a little shell on it. Can you see that? If I do this, will it focus? Maybe. I don't know, whatever. You guys got the point. But this is really cool. It'll be good for like scooping herbs, I think. And I really like, I like anything that's like resin. I think it's very interesting to look at. So this is really neat. Thank you. So yeah, I got so many cool things. Thank you so much again. Just a quick little unboxing for you guys. You know, I like to keep things kind of light. So definitely check out some shops. If you have a shop and you would like me to check it out, definitely link it down below because I'm always looking for like ways to support my witchy community. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see y'all tomorrow for October. It is spooky season and we are going hardcore on the day one. It's gonna be awesome. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.